Hi, I'm Art. I'm a sales rep with Nordik Windows Doors. As a sales rep, I'm going to come over and visit you, give you some information on the products that we sell, and also some costing. So when we're there, we will measure and go over each and every product that you're requiring and fine tune it from there. Yeah, I was born and raised in Guelph, moved into Burlington where I currently reside when I got married. So I'm married, I have two daughters, and I also have two granddaughters. I like the GTA area in general. It's a fairly busy area and there's lots of opportunity, lots of things to do, lots of things to see. I get to travel around quite a bit with my job. I always liked building things. As I was going to school, I worked for a contractor, a general contractor, doing carpentry work and laboring work and that kind of stuff. And I liked that. So I was always sort of drawn towards that. Once I finished school, I worked in that for a bit and then I transitioned into windows and doors. And I've been doing that for the better part of 30 years now. I need some downtime every once in a while. So what I like to do, my wife and I both are avid skiers. In our area, there's lots of good hiking spots and that sort of thing. So I like to get out with the grandkids and do that kind of stuff as well. As I said earlier, I've been doing this job for a long time and I've worked with a lot of different companies and a lot of different products. Nordik struck me right away with their product being very innovative. The company itself is very forward. They really stand behind their product and their employees. They certainly are a worthwhile company.